Hello Brooker Bunch, it's a beautiful day today, so I came outside to film the video. So before you even start your chapter 18 math packet, we are going to get into 3D shapes. So if you actually look around the world that God has created, we have amazing 3D shapes all around us, okay? So before we actually dive into it, we know that there's circles and squares and rectangles and ovals. What does 3D mean? That is something that we're going to get into, okay? But before we actually dive into that question, I want you to do a fun activity first, and I'm going to explain that activity. Inside your week 2 packet, you have something that looks like this, and it's all stapled together. And what we're going to do before we even start our math packet, we're actually going to make some 3D shapes so that when you do your math packet, you can actually have these shapes in front of you. So what you will do, we are going to make a cylinder. Do you see cylinder down here? Okay, here's what I need you to listen very carefully, because this happens a lot, okay? You are going to cut around on, you're just gonna cut on the black line. But listen, this is what you need to listen to. When you get to right here, you do not continue cutting. I will repeat, you do not continue cutting straight. I will repeat one more time. You do not continue cutting straight this way. You actually are going to stop here and go around the circle here, and then come out this way. I'm gonna show you again. You're gonna cut here, 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 and then you're gonna make a sharp right turn and come around this way. So you're going to cut the circle out with the shape, and then you're gonna come down here, 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 and you're gonna do the same thing. You do not continue on this black line. You're gonna go stop, and you're gonna make another sharp, you're gonna make a sharp left turn this time, and go around this time, go around the circle. You're going to stop here. You are not going to continue cutting. You do not want to cut these circles out. You want these circles to stay attached to the rectangle. Okay? So then you come around here, up. So then you will cut this out. Okay, so this is what it should look like once you're all finished cutting it out. Notice that my circles are still attached to my rectangle. And this is going to be a cylinder once it's assembled. So what I would like you to do before you start rolling this and taping it together like I'm gonna show you, I just want you to write cylinder on one of the circles so that you can see what it is. Cylinder, C-Y-L-I-N-D-E-R. Now would be a good time to pause the video so that you can write cylinder on one of the circles. Okay, so here you go. What you're going to do is you're going to grab two sides of the rectangle and you're going to bring them together just like that. I will do it again. You're going to bring both sides of that cylinder together, and then you're going to have to hold it together with one of your fingers. And you're going to take a piece of tape. This one looks a little long. Let me shorten it a little bit. You're going to take that piece of tape, and you can either tape on the inside or you could tape on the outside of your cylinder. But you want to make sure that that tape gets on both sides of that paper so it sticks together really well. So then you're going to have this funny looking bumblebee. So this just folds onto top of this. And it's not going to be a perfect fit. We're just getting the idea of what a cylinder is going to be. Get another piece of tape. You're going to go like this. You're going to take this and it fits right on top of here. You take a piece of tape and you tape this little circle to the edge of what was our rectangle. So just like that. See how our cylinder is starting to form? You're going to flip it over and do the exact same thing with this circle here, and it's going to lay on top of that opening. Take a piece of tape and try to get it lined up as much as possible. So then, it's not an exact cylinder, but at least you get an idea of what a cylinder is. If you think of a soda can is a cylinder, and we will talk about that more in a little bit.